What is Docker? Docker is an open source platform. Docker helps us to deploy the code, to ship the code, and run the application in production environment. In this diagram, we have host operating system, and top of that Docker engine is running. Docker engine allow us to create number of containers. Container is not a complete operating system. The operating system is with host OS. So number of container only have the required binaries and libraries which supports the application. So let's say example, if I need 4 container, so that doesn't mean I need to install 4 operating system on 4 containers. Basically in Docker technology, we need single operating system which we called as host operating system, and on single operating system we can create number of containers, and these containers hold the applications. So for example, if you are working in application number 1, it will not going to affect application 2 and vice versa. So this provide a complete isolation between number of application which is running on the single host operating system. So in upcoming slides, we'll drill down more on this concept. Docker enable DevOps. That means, let's say example, we have a developer, we have the operation, development team writes the code, deploy the products, but there is a complete development life cycle. So they write the code, they build, they test, and after that they release, right? But between these phases, there is a long time, because sometimes the pre-prod environment is not same as a prod environment. Staging has some different version of tool, where production have some different version of tool. These complications take long time to release that application into the production environment. So here, DevOps allow us to reduce that gap and provide a complete bridge between the developer and the operation. So there will be no gaps in releasing the application into the production environment. But the question arises, how it's possible? How we can release the product into the production environment in lesser time? It is possible due to the DevOps concept in Docker. So all the environment, all the tools which we are using in the pre-prod or in the staging phases, that can be created as a single container, and that container we can use to create images, and that image can be simply deployed into the prod. So there is no change between the staging and into the production. So same set of binaries, same set of libraries, same set of tools, same set of application will be readily available into the production environment. So that reduces a huge time and make the company to release their products in a lesser time, and they can easily achieve their deadlines.